Hi, my name is Remy Sharp, and I am just going to record some of my workflow in Chrome DevTools today. And it's pretty straightforward. Basically, a requirement, and I would do this in DevTools. Basically, I have an ID on the HTML element, and I want that to appear in the background here. It's pretty straightforward. I'm just going to add workspace. Oh, window's a bit too small rather. So workspaces, add folder, and I want to go to, I have to navigate a bit. And sometimes I'll take the whole directory, and sometimes I'll just take the public directory. So in this instance, I can edit the actual node JavaScript in the views, but in this case, I just want the public directory because it suits my requirements for this little bit of noodling. So the first thing is this style sheet isn't really linked up to the file yet. I need to map that. I tend to find that even though this restarts, when I inspect, make a little change, yeah, sometimes that just prompts me to save, but who knows. Right, so I can't just add an inline style down here because of this via inspector, it'll get lost. I mean, I could, but I actually want to nick a bunch of content stuff, so I like to work with a fairly wide screen, or I mean, I've got it smaller because of the screencast, but I tend to tuck away all the panels and so on. And depending on my screen size, it will affect whether I have it on the right, full screen, or on the bottom. So I'm looking for a content selector. Grab this guy, and I'm going to whack it up here. So HTML, after content, color. So I'm just getting kind of a sense of what it will look like, and this actually needs to be the attribute ID. Video server. Oh, screw it. Port. Since that's what it is. Port 8000. That kind of looks alright to me at the moment. I want to do like a bit of a embossing look, but that might be fine. Been playing with VHs a little bit, but they tend to kind of. Actually, I don't think the VH is the problem. It's my margins. So we've got 20 which way. So that is going to be vertical, whatever, 10 VH, view width, VH. So that should, yeah, okay. Well, really I want it to be in the middle. I know I should use Flexbox for this, maybe. But 50% doesn't really work because it ends up kind of drifting up and down, right? Like that. That doesn't work. 50% of the width or something, isn't it? Stupid. 5 VH, 10 VH, 15 VH. Oh man, that'll work. That'll do. It's roughly in the middle. Yeah, it kind of stays in the middle. It's cool. Okay, and I'm just going to change color. So what I do is I click on the actual color. Really nice pro tip: hold down Shift, click, and it'll cycle around different types. And sometimes I'm looking at RGB and I can't really tell if it is the thing I want. Like CCC, I tend to have an idea of EF. Just kind of there. And we'll do some text shadow. I wish there were tools to do this for me. Black. So I don't want to do it that way. I want to do -1, sort of -1. I'm no good at this stuff. I want an embossed look, but I can never get it right. I think that's because I need the actual colour to be. Oh no, that kind of looks embossed. That's kind of what I was going for. Yeah, there we go. So that's done, basically. If I hit refresh, still there. And I'll just commit that at this point. I really don't kind of do much more. I have just noticed these, finding styles. What do these do? Helvetica. Oh, that's nice. Sweet. Border box. Oh yeah, like if you're looking for the font, oh, that's useful. Cool. I'm sure there's, well, that wasn't quite good. Inherited properties. Oh no, we do. Oh wow. See, now that's something that's useful, going into the styles and actually searching for font size, because I tend to do that all the time. Cool, so yeah, that was it. Kind of filthy tweak I was doing there, but I need it for just this demo that I'm making. But I do all my JavaScript, well, quite a lot of the JavaScript actually in this editor. You know, the shortcuts to navigate files, shortcuts to kind of go through tabs. I never remember what the shortcuts to change these are, but I mean, you used to be able to get to the help, but that doesn't work anymore. Shortcuts. There you go. So we can learn from there. But pretty cool. Anyway, I encourage you to have a look at kind of coding through DevTools. Really, really powerful stuff. So I'm a big fan. Cool. Thanks for watching my ramble.